Coming together is beginning. As this saying goes, myself and my colleague Mr. Mohan Badra commenced Spheretech operations in the year 2001. Working with the manufacturing company called Span Filling Systems, we are basically concentrating in marketing the filling lines to 500 ml to 5 liter focused industry like the edible oil, engine oil, pesticides, etc. In the last 2 decades, we have progressed considerably, keeping in mind the customers' requirements and services. From a 50 square feet company to an office space of 1500 square feet, now we have a full-fledged office with backup staff, marketing team. Other than the domestic market, we have also spread our wings all over the globe and exporting to more than 25 countries. We have our own setup in Dubai, keeping in mind the customer service. As the travel in the packaging industry, I have been nominated as a president of Institute of Packaging Machinery Manufacturers of India, and I hold the office for 2 years. During the time, this institute also progressed well. Today, I am one of the members of the Board of Governors in the institute. Though we started selling filling machines, we added in our product basket the end-of-line solutions like the pick and place, carton taping, carton coding, etc. And today we are a one-stop solution for the entire packaging equipments for the liquid packaging, especially in edible oil and engine oil. That is the short story of Spheretech till today.